Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to see channels you have subscribed to on YouTube. This works for both iOS and Android device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any crucial parts. In saying that, let's begin. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to your account. And then to see people who you are following or subscribed to, make sure you're on the home tab and then click on subscriptions. And then if you click all up here, top right hand corner, this should show you all the current subscriptions you are subscribed to. And you can filter them by most relevant, new activity, or A to Z. So yeah, that's it guys, how to see channels you are subscribed to on YouTube. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the very end. If this video helped you, please consider to like the video and subscribe to my channel.